Hello lifestylers, Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. I truly do appreciate it. If you haven't done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and share my content with your family and friends. I would appreciate it. Okay, so this video is a part of my 2020 goals for the year. This is goal number 8 and goal number 11. And goal number 8 and 11 was to do monthly meal planning, along with also using my kitchen tools, my air fryer and my crock pot, to help save time and money, because I can kind of, stretch out the meals with leftovers and save money like on electricity and things of that nature. Just it's another way. It's a cost savings way to kind of look at it, along with just saving time. So yeah, so if you're interested in my hodgepodge system for meal planning and utilizing the tools that I have in my kitchen so I don't have to turn on the stove and the oven and all that good stuff, then keep watching. All right, so let me go ahead and explain what I got going on here. Cassandra Soto reached out to me and oh, come on, focus. Reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in some of her printables, and I did, and I can link the videos for those. But I liked the dashboard calendar, and I decided to use this as my meal plan calendar. So what I'm doing is planning out my meals for the entire month, and kind of color coding them based on the type of meal that I will be cooking. So basically I'm doing, of course there's takeout. I don't cook on Saturdays, so takeout on Saturdays. Then I'll do like crock pot meals, air fryer meals, regular cooked meals, and then leftovers. So that's pretty much kind of what I use this for. And I actually I taped this inside the cabinet in the kitchen. And then I just did a makeshift, I cut down one of the covers from the Happy Planner, and I'm using the note pages because I used the cover for this for something else. So I had these rings and all these note pages left. So it's my hodgepodge kind of way to do my meal plan to write out my plan for the week, and then also do my grocery list on the back. I do know Happy Planner has this already. I saw it in Michael's the other day, and I was so tempted to get it. And then I remember I'm using what I like. Use what you have. When you run out of these pages, then you can go and pick up the cute one that says meal plan, and it has all the days of the week. But for now, I'm doing it myself. So what I do is, this is for the week. I'll map it out. I'll map out if there's anything that I need when I go to the grocery store on the back, and then take that with me. And then once this week is over, then I move it towards the back, so you can see I have all of my old ones from way back here. So once I get rid of all of this, then I'll go and buy the cute little weekly meal plan half sheets. For now, I'll make them myself. So it's very hodgepodgey, but it works for me. All right, so let's go ahead and let me go ahead and start writing in my meals for the month. And I'm gonna speed through this. You don't have to kind of see me like real time write this all out. So I'm gonna write it all out, but it'll be in speed time, and then I'll come back and explain what I did. Okay everyone, I'm back and got this all done. So yeah, so for the month of March, I'm all planned out when it comes to the meals. Now this is just a plan. It doesn't mean that, you know, we have to stick to it letter of the law, but this is just a guideline, and then it helps with grocery shopping and time management as to I know how much time, you know, I have to stay late at work or leave early or whatever the case may be. But anyhow, basically for March, I have 4 takeout eat outs, which is on Saturdays. I have 9 leftovers, and the reason why I have 9 is because on Sundays, I cook big on Sundays. Even though I'm doing keto, certain things I'll kind of substitute for, but this is what I cook for the house. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 Sunday meals, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 5 Crockpot meals, but this goes into the next month. But anywho, so that's why I have on the Sunday meals and my Crockpot meals, I cook enough so that it's leftovers on Mondays and Wednesdays, because Mondays and Wednesdays are Zumba night, and I like to go to Zumba, so it's easier not have to cook or anything. Just people can warm it up and keep it moving. Then I have, so as I said before, my Crockpot night. So I'm, you know, Crockpot goes over to the next day. Then I have 4 air fryer meals that I utilize the air fryer for. And then I have my 9 regular meals, and my regular meals basically is when I cook like normal, but they're not hard. I think Sunday is the only one that, you know, I kind of get into it. But like grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm gonna do a seafood bowl. You know, my husband's birthday is that Thursday, so I think he may want to go out. So we may switch this around between the eat out, take out. So we shall see, but these are all these can be interchangeable. We could eat out that Thursday on his birthday, and then I could just move these over. So no fuss. And then easy stuff going on here. So basically this is my meal plan for the month of March, and hopefully it'll keep me on track with goal number 8. So far it's been working out wonderfully. So I have no doubt that March will be the same. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in the video and checked out my hodgepodge way of putting down my meals. So again, I do it for the month, and then each week I just write up what I'm doing for that week here. And then anything that I don't have in the pantry or the refrigerator, I just write a little grocery list on the back of what I may need for the things I'm cooking for that week. But yeah, so that's my little hodgepodge system of meal planning. So if you lasted this long, you already know you are a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.